Hello friends, today we will start with the structure of atom. Each substance of universe is made up of tiny particles. If we take any substance, suppose apple or banana, and get it divided, we get very small particles. If we divide it further and further, we get very tiny particles, and after some time you cannot divide it anymore. So the smallest particle that cannot be further divided or can take part in the chemical reaction is called atom. Now the size of atom. Size of atom varies from elements to elements. It may be zero point 0.7 angstrom or it may be 2.5 angstrom. In the hydrogen, hydrogen is the smallest atom. Its size is 0.28 angstrom, where angstrom is the unit of measurement. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. Mass. Mass of an atom vary from element to element. Hydrogen has the smallest atom, so its mass is 1.008 AMU. Helium has 4.0026 AMU, while lead has 207.6 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kilograms. Now we comes to the structure of atom. Each atom is composed of many particles. Some are unstable and some are stable. Unstable particles have very small life. It means they exist for a few movements. These particles are positron, mesons, neutrino and antineutrino. And stable particles are the main particles or fundamental particle. Each atom is composed of these stable particles. These are electrons, protons and neutrons. First we come to electrons. Electron is denoted by E. Charge on electron is 1 negative unit charge. It is denoted as -1 at the lower side. Its mass is 0.00054 AMU, which may be considered as 0, and it is denoted at upper side. Proton is abbreviated by P. Its charge is +1 unit charge. Its mass is 1.0072 AMU. So proton is denoted as this. In the neutron is neutral. It means it has no charge. Its mass is 1.0086. It may be assumed as 1 and it is shown at upper side. Now let me consider the structure of atom. In the structure of atom, there is a nucleus at the center. The size of nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. The nuclear radius is at the category of 10 to power minus 12 to 10 to power minus 13 centimeter, while that of the atom it is 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. So you can consider how small the nucleus is. The nucleus is composed of neutrons and protons. As you know, electron does not possess any mass. The all mass is in neutrons and protons. So whole weight of the atom is present in the nucleus, and nucleus has the very high density. The density of nucleus is 10 raised to the power 17 kilogram per meter cube. The nucleus is consists of neutrons and protons. These all together are called nucleons. The number of protons is equal to the number of electrons outside the nucleus. As you know, protons possess positive charge and the electrons possess similar negative charge. So the atom and all is neutral. Now where are the electrons? Electrons moves around the nucleus in various shells. So the neutrons and protons are present at the center and electrons are present outside the nucleus. This all is the structure of atom. In later classes we will understand the another matter. Thank you for watching this video.